Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G plus download and the speed test comparison between both phones, which are Realme X2 Pro and the IQ7 device. As you can see, friends, the reason why I'm doing this kind of video and I'm really excited to see because just yesterday I did upload a video on the Realme X2 Pro friends regarding the 4G plus connectivity, and I did compare with other Realme phones. So in the test, the Realme X2 Pro was able to perform really the good. Yes, it's absolutely the good even when compared with the Realme X1 Max as well. The X2 Pro was able to manage to get the high signals. So that is the reason I thought of choosing with the IQ7 device. Let's compare side by side. Let's see, friends, which phone will be having the carrier aggregation, which phone will be having the better download speeds and the faster speed test. That is what I'm going to test right now. So in case if you want this kind of 4G plus speed test comparison, so make sure to check the playlist, friends, which I have created only for the 4G plus speed test lovers. Try to click on that and you can find so many videos which I already uploaded and a lot of comparisons, in-depth testings which I did. And right now in this video I'll try to use the Jio SIM card. So I'm trying to use a Jio SIM card in both phones, and these are indoor conditions, and after the recent software update I was able to get the 4G plus even in my studio in the IQ7 device. So let's see, friends, what will be the bands I'm getting right now. Let me quickly open the NetMonster. As you can see, friends, I'm getting the 4G plus in the IQ7 device, and sometimes the 4G plus, sometimes it won't be available, because if I try to use the internet continuously, then you can see the 4G plus, but this is the band which I'm trying to get exactly in this phone. As you can see, friends, clearly 4G plus and LTE 1800 band. You can clearly see on the notification as well, you can see. And let me try to show you exactly the details of this Realme X2 Pro as well. And these are the bands for the Realme X2 Pro. Oh my god, as you can see, means 3 bands I'm getting in the Realme X2 Pro, 1800 plus, 850 plus, 2300. It's same location. As you can see clearly, friends, at same location, at same time. As you can see, friends, clearly IQ7 is getting only 1 band 1800, and the Realme X2 Pro is getting 3 bands and sometimes 2 bands. As you can see clearly, friends, 3 bands I'm getting in the Realme X2 Pro, which is fantastic, friends, in the Realme X2 Pro. So this is the reason I thought of including the Realme X2 Pro smartphone in this testing. So as now you got to know the result, how it is. Let me try to show you the carrier aggregation, what it's showing right now, 2CA and 10 plus 5. And the top of the notification panel, you can see 4CC as well. Oh my god, 4CC. Sometimes I'm getting on the top of the notification panel. So in this kind of high speeds, let's see the download speed. Let's see which phone will be having the better download speeds. First, I'm going to show you that. So this exact game which I'm going to download, friends, right now in both phones. Let's see, at same time I'm trying to download. Let me try to take the stopwatch study as well. So in case if you want to know the timings, we will be able to get to know. Let me try to grab one of the phones. So maybe the Realme X1 Max. Let me try to take it. I'll try to do the even comparison with the other smartphones as well. So in the stopwatch which is ready right now, let's see which phone will be able to download first. So in the top of notification panel, you should be able to see the bands, which phone is getting what kind of band, and the speeds as well. Try to observe the speeds. Let's see, having the 3 bands is kind of helpful in the Realme X2 Pro or not. Having 1 band is kind of helpful in the IQ7 or not. That is what I'm going to compare exactly. So I think the IQ7 is performing really good. So even with the 1 band, single band Jio SIM I'm trying to use. So 31% I'm getting in this IQ7 device. As you can see, 34% it feel, and right now it's 30%. So same time I'm trying to do the test, friends, same time. So again, next test I'll try to do the 1 by 1. So same time, whenever you try to do the testing, this will be the result. So when I try to do the test 1 by 1, then we'll get the actual result as well. So now I think in the race, IQ7 device is able to finish first. IQ7, as you can clearly see, even with a single 1 band, it was able to do a really good job. As you can see, friends, 3CC you are getting in the Realme X2 Pro. I'm really surprised with the Realme X2 Pro. Even after so many years, I think 1.5 year of usage with the Realme X2 Pro, still I was able to get so much of bands. So right now I think the IQ7 did finish the downloading the game around 1 minute and 13 seconds, and now the Realme X2 Pro, it's also picking up the speeds. I'll try to make another video, friends, how to disable this virus scanning as well in the IQ7 device. So make sure to stay tuned for that video in case if you're interested. And it's done, as you can see. So overall, slightly, I think 15 seconds of more time it took. But now let me try to download the game 1 by 1. So I'll try to download the game. So first I'll try to download the game in the Realme X2 Pro, and then I'll try to download the game in IQ7 device. Let's start, friends. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see what will be the top speeds we can actually get in this phone. That is what I'm going to focus. So right now I'm trying to use only the single phone right now. As you can see, the top speed went up to only 1 Mbps, not much higher. So even though I'm getting the 3 bands, I did expect slightly close to maybe 2 Mbps or 3 Mbps of speeds, but that's not the case. I'm getting only 1 Mbps of speeds in this Realme X2 Pro, as you can see clearly, friends. So 3cc, and there's nothing much improvement in terms of speeds. Even I'm getting the 4G plus as well. Then still it's taking kind of same kind of time, but let's see what will happen with the IQ7 device. Overall, I think the IQ7 might be the winner in terms of the download speeds. Even with the one single band, it was able to perform really good. So overall total time took in this Realme X2 Pro is about 1 minute and 3 seconds. As you can clearly see, friends, 1 minute and 3 seconds. Now let me try to reset and start at same time. So let's see how much time the IQ7 phone gonna take in terms of the downloading this kind of hill climb race. And you can check the speeds on the top. 1.4, it went up to 1.49, 1.69 Mbps. That's really good. 1.69 is the highest speed I have seen in this right now. 1.69. I think it's not decreasing below 1 Mbps. I think so at this point. 1.72. Oh my god, 1.72 is the highest in this IQ7 device, as you can see clearly. That's really good. So Realme X2 Pro took about 1 minute and 3 seconds. Let's see, friends, how much time this IQ7 gonna take. 95% and 44 seconds of time. So 44 seconds of time they took in the IQ7 device, and the Realme X2 Pro took about close to 1 minute and 3 seconds. So in the download test, clear winner is the IQ7 device in the download test. Now let's move to the next test, which is the final test which I'll be trying to do, which is a speed test. So which I'm trying to do the speed test right now. Let me try to do the speed test at same time. 1, 2, 3. So let's see, friends, in the speed test which phone will be the clear winner. That is what I'm going to check. At same time I'm trying to do, at same time. As you can see, friends, right now if I'm trying to do at same time, I think both phones are kind of close to each other. So you can see the top band. So 3cc still I'm seeing, and I think only one band is present in the IQ7 device at this moment. So I'm getting about, I think only 1800 band is present right now in the IQ7 device. And the top speed I got about 6 Mbps in this in the IQ7 device. As you can see, 8 Mbps. In the Realme X2 Pro, I got only 6.3 Mbps speeds. So let me do the test second time. Let's see what will happen in the second time of testing. So same GeoSIM I'm using, same server, everything is same location, but different results, even though I'm quite surprised. So usually the 3cc I should be able to get high speeds, but I'm not sure which band it's selecting at this point. So let's see how much speeds we can actually get it right now in this phone. I'm getting kind of close to 4 Mbps and 5 Mbps, not much. So whenever this IQ7 phone stops the speed test, as you can see, the speeds increased drastically. So next time I'll try to do the test one by one. So let's see if you try to do the test one by one. So which phone will be the winner? That is what I'm going to check. So let me try to do the test in this IQ7 first. So let's see what will happen with the IQ7s. Yes. And once the IQ7 finishes the test, then I'll try to do then the Realme X2 Pro next. So whenever you try to do the test one by one individually, then you will get slightly very good results. That is what I'm trying to observe right now. I'm getting about close to 11 Mbps and 12 Mbps of speeds, as you can see. So using the GeoSIM card, as you can see, friends, clearly GeoSIM card I'm trying to use, and 12 Mbps of speeds I got right now. You can clearly see that 1 Mbps is the upload speeds. So let's see, friends, what will happen with the Realme X2 Pro's speeds, whether the speeds will be higher than this 12 Mbps or not if you're trying to use the individual phones. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, get set, go. I'm really excited, friends. So usually I did expect slightly better results in the Realme X2 Pro, to be frank, because after seeing this kind of so many bands detecting 4ccs and 3ccs, and I think in some scenarios it doesn't matter, I think so, in some scenarios. So clearly, friends, the winner is the IQ7 device in the indoor extreme 4G Geo Plus test. So download speed tests were really great, and even the speed test results are also really great in the IQ7 device. So thanks to the recent update, which has done really incredible job in the IQ7 smartphone. So hopefully with the next update, all this kind of things should not get spoiled again. That is what I was expecting. So that is what I was wishing for that. So hopefully friends, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more videos and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.